2. We believe in one God the Father, the Almighty, the Maker of all, the one who rules the seen and unseen. We believe and we adore Jesus Christ, one Lord of creation, from the Father begotten, not made. He is the life from life eternal, and the God of every age. All glory to the Father now, all honor to the Son, and praise the Spirit now and always. This is the God we love, for this world and for our salvation. He came down from the heavens above, born of a virgin and the Spirit, truly man and truly God. He was crucified under Pilate, suffered death and was laid